Starting around 19 July 2023, Velo, in every way that really matters, is exchanging at $0.003 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.61% in by and large most recent 60 minutes. Or so they basically thought. Velo truly has a really all-out market cap of $20,920,551, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,748,953. Incredibly, this fundamentally makes Velo, especially positioning at 580 in the digital money market, which explicitly is genuinely critical, on the off chance that you basically are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Velo cost expectation end of 2023. What will Velo basically be for the most part worth in 2023? Which truly is genuinely huge. Is Velo a kind of wise speculation or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023 in a really significant manner? Will Velo cost basically outperform its untouched high? Or so they in every way that really matters thought. These in every way that really matters are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future, which sort of is genuinely critical. Velo value expectation 2023. As per the Velo gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Velo cost most certainly is supposed to especially cross an exceptionally normal value level of $0.003, the normal sort of least value worth of Velo, toward the finish of the in every practical sense current year, ought to basically be $0.003, which truly is genuinely critical. Besides, Velo can arrive at a truly most extreme value level of $0.004, which especially is very huge. Velo value figure July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of Velo generally is supposed to fundamentally be at around an essentially least of $0.003, showing that assuming you sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what essentially is the Velo cost expectation end of 2023. What will Velo truly be in every practical sense worth in 2023 in a fundamentally enormous way? Velo cost can in a real sense arrive at a fundamentally limit of $0.003, with the fundamentally normal cost of $0.003 in United States dollars, which basically is very critical. Velo value estimate August 2023. With respect to August 2023, Velo certainly is supposed to in every practical sense arrive at a really least value worth of $0.003. The Velo cost could essentially arrive at a fundamentally greatest cost of $0.003, with the genuinely normal cost around $0.003, which in every way that really matters is very huge. Velo value figure September 2023. Concerning September 2023, Velo fundamentally is supposed to in a real sense arrive at an especially least value worth of $0.003, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The Velo cost could truly arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $0.003, with the genuinely normal cost around $0.003, which generally is genuinely huge. Velo value gauge October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Velo explicitly is gauged to explicitly be at around a base worth of $0.003, or so they most certainly thought. The Velo value worth can generally arrive at an essentially limit of $0.003, with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars, exhibiting how besides Velo can really arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of $0.004, which is genuinely huge. Velo value conjecture November 2023. The Velo estimate for November 2023 expects that the Velo may especially arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of $0.004, with a base cost of around $0.003, which is very huge. Discussing the very normal value, Velo can sort of stretch around $0.003 for November. So discussing the genuinely normal value, Velo can truly stretch around $0.003 for November. Velo value expectation December 2023. Velo cost is supposed to reach between $0.003 to $0.004 in December 2023, while the typical cost of Velo sort of passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto basically has been truly diminished by 0.03% in its extremely current worth, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Assuming that we generally look at the especially current market cap of the Velo with yesterday's, you can by and large see that the market cap generally is likewise down in a truly significant manner. Velo most certainly is confronting an especially difficult time jumping aboard with pretty other crypto coins in an extremely enormous manner. The Velo is down to nearly 1.07% in the very most recent 7 days, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. The coin certainly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for exceptionally past by and large couple of days. The coin could sort of areas of strength for have in any case. We don't really imagine that it would a beneficial resource in especially momentary in a genuinely significant manner. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of Velo by and large diminished by 55.790%, taking out an astounding really normal amount of $0.004 from its genuinely current worth, showing how Velo value gauge October 2023. In October 2023 the cost of Velo certainly is gauged to be at around a truly least worth of $0.003, which sort of is very huge. This unexpected down basically implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can explicitly be a decent purchase and open door for kind of speedy speculation, exhibiting that discussing the in every practical sense. Normal value Velo can really stretch around $0.003 for November, so discussing the extremely normal value Velo can for the most part stretch around $0.003 for November in a kind of significant manner. The 90 days cost change in a real sense is near 0.57%. And the cost all things considered, circled from a truly least fundamentally normal cost of $0.003 to especially greatest certainly normal cost of $0.003 in the truly beyond 90 days, which basically shows that Velo basically is confronting an essentially difficult time jumping aboard with kind of other crypto coins in a significant manner. In all things considered, most recent 4 months Velo for the most part has shown a developing pattern, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Subsequently, we by and large think that comparative pieces of the market essentially were very famous at that period in a huge manner. As per the in every way that really matters, most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Velo sort of is expanded from 4 months, showing how this in every practical sense makes Velo, especially positioning at 580 in the digital money market in an unobtrusive way. The exchanging volume is an imperative job in its cost, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. The coin generally is up by 24.65% with the greatest, by and large normal cost of the coin, especially was around $0.002, and the fundamentally least lovely typical cost of for the most part was around $0.002 in kind of beyond